It is extremely important because there is a tendency to think about hackers as this sort of shadowy figures sitting in a server room. It's all a little bit sort of spies and James Bond. But increasingly now, smaller businesses are becoming a target because they know that they can be a portal into something bigger. So the supply chain for big distributors, a bank, a public service like the NHS. The NHS has been hacked a number of times with ransomware. But it's quite possible that it was a small supplier of syringes or swabs or something like that was the portal to get into that. So yes, everybody plays a part. If you're a business to business or business client, you are playing a part in the supply chain, and it's part of having a responsibility to not be the weakest link in that supply chain. Having those 5 controls, you might think, well, I've only got one computer and one mobile, it's just me. But all of those things make you vulnerable. And if you're known in the area, for example, of being a one-man show, people could be watching and they know who you are. They possibly know what car you drive. They can find things out about you. And then they could maybe get into your systems because they've found things out about you, or you're very visible on social media and you say a lot about yourself. That's the way that social engineering works. So nobody's invulnerable, basically. It's a risk for everyone. And normally large corporations have got very big structures around them to protect them and much higher levels of security than Cyber Essentials. But Cyber Essentials is really what everybody should aim for, to stay safe, and also for your clients, for them to know that your information is safe with them, that their information is safe with you, that if they've got, if you're a school, or, you're providing a service which maybe involves their children as well, it's a safeguarding issue. So Cyber Essentials is really about people's personal safety as well as just your business bottom line.